Today we're celebrating our Hazel Park Fire Department open house, which is in relation to Fire Prevention Week. We show what we do in the fire industry. We deal with smoke detectors, playing with matches. We show some of the things we do here. We put on a demonstration for a stove fire to show how to correctly extinguish that if you have one. We show how we use our extrication equipment. We're squirting a fire hose for the kids. They put out a fake fire. They try on our turnout gear. We have cider and donuts. We give out balloons. We're selling T-shirts. And then just our building and what we do.
We came out today because my son has a passion for firefighters, and I think that's going to be his career. He's really inspired by all of it, and it's just a good time for the kids today.
We've got Ian, Gracie, and Vince. We came out today because our good friend works here for the fire department, and we're also learning about fire safety and how to keep these guys safe.
We wanted to show the kids that it would be a great opportunity to see the jaws of life. I thought that was really cool, and I know they loved spraying the hose, and also to see that they can have a really good job that would also support your whole family. You know, this is a good job, and it helps a lot of people.
This is Fire Prevention Month, so fire safety is very important. Our firemen are always busy, and a house fire is those are the most common. So it's great to educate everybody that's a homeowner about what is going on.
Us as a fire department, that's our job, is to keep people safe. So at the end of the day, if they just take one piece of this and that helps them in the future, we're happy with that.